Whoa, just got up here in the right time. Look at all this locomotives. It's a power move. With BNSF. Ah, that's amazing. I almost missed this. Yeah, so it's a St. Lambert station. And it's the 14th of July, 2026. On a day where it's threatening skies, threatening to rain. I don't know if it will. Probably later. It's about 4:50, I guess now, p.m. Man, that's probably a lot of the most locomotives I've seen in one train in a long, long time. What is that? 6 engines? Huh. Yeah, I've been wanting to come here for a little while. St. Lambert is not a place I come to a lot because, well, it's harder to get to. Easier to get to now that the REM is running properly. And not so hard now, actually. I should come here more, actually.